When you have mushrooms and chicken, you can create different types of meals, and I'm going to show you how to do chicken and mushroom in creamy sauce. For this, I'm using 3 different types of mushroom. This is mixed mushrooms. Instead, you can use oyster or button mushrooms or any other mushrooms to your taste. 400 grams diced chicken, salt and pepper to taste. For this garlic mushroom sauce, I'm going to use 1 whole garlic. You can adjust it to your taste. I love to fry garlic, so it gives that beautiful aroma and it makes the chicken and the mushroom flavorful too. A tablespoon or 2 oil and a tablespoon of onion and garlic powder and a teaspoon of stock powder. This is optional if you don't want to add any, and some fresh parsley. So let's start doing it. First, add 1 tablespoon onion and garlic powder to chicken, and into that add the salt and the pepper and mix well and leave aside about 15 to 20 minutes so that it will absorb all the flavors from it. Now let's do the rest of the recipe. First, I'm going to slice the mushrooms. Slice the onion fine, and I'm going to leave this aside. And into a food processor, add the garlic and process it. And into the same food processor, going to add the fresh parsley. Process the parsley too, or chop the parsley. And it's ready. Now into a pot, add some oil. Now into the hot oil, add the chicken and cook the chicken 8 to 10 minutes. After 5-6 minutes, it will look like this. So I'm going to cook another minute and take it out. Once the chicken is ready, transfer that to a bowl. Now into the same pot, add about 50 grams butter, and into that add the garlic. And fry the garlic in that butter about 2-3 minutes or until it browns the garlic. Make sure that you keep on stirring until the butter melts. When the garlic starts to brown, it releases a beautiful aroma. Once it starts browning, add the fresh parsley and cook the garlic with the parsley. If you like only, you can add a little bit of rosemary into that, fresh or dried. Now the garlic has started browning. Now I'm going to add the sliced onion into that. Cook the onion in that butter and the garlic about 2 minutes until it is translucent. Once the onions are cooked, add the mushrooms. Cook 2 minutes with the mushrooms. I'm going to add a teaspoon of stock powder. I'm always using vegetable stock powder in my recipes. If you like, you can add more oil in this. I'm trying to avoid lots of oil in my cooking. Now into that add about a tablespoon whipping cream. And cook the mushroom in that cream until it gives a nice oily texture. And after, add the chicken. And mix the chicken with the mushroom. Now it's ready. So I'm going to serve this over brown rice. And this is a nice, simple meal that you can serve with rice or even bread. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.